welcome back to my channel. Tia here. So pretty much I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update of what's been going on. I know I've been MIA for a long time, but we're moving, so I've been like packing, trying to get everything together, get the kids situated, get the house situated. I'll do a little mini tour once we're settled in and everything like that. But I just wanted to get on here and update you guys and let you guys know that I will be back like I never left very soon, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm with my baby boy Zion and my baby boy, I'll tell you his name later. But yeah guys, that's it, and I will see you guys soon. If you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, and also make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when we do.
Said she need that real